tukite guku Mount Kenya University twita partners uhoro wa guthondeka herbal soaps tukihuthira miti ya dawa na this time round turona tukuhuthira bamboo andu aingi mamiwita murangi he uria tucinaga muhu ucio tukauthondeka nigetha utuike medicine tuka activate na aloe vera tuga combine nigetha tuhote guthondeka thabuni wa guthondeka ngo initially tuokire twita gikundi kia guthondeka dawa tono tuthondekaga dawa cia miti na hau o dawa-ini tuge ngothi niyo kindu kiria gitoi kuga aca ati ona ungikira kindu ha ngothi-ini ni mwiri ni ukuoya utekuga aca tugikira tukiona indo nyingi especially uhoro wa mirimu ona ngothi ni contributaga uhoro wa kurwara koguo tugiikara thi tukiuga as long as in much as ni turathondeka uhoro wa dawa irateithia thiini wa mwiri ni tukwenda tuikare thi twicirie uhoro wa kindu giguteithia mwiri uhoro wa kuhetukira ngothi na hau niho tuokire na idea ya guthondeka herbal soaps organic itari na uhoro wa chemicals niho twekirire uhoro wa aloe vera na bamboo iyo tugitumira coconut oils thabuni uyu wa bamboo ni uteithagia kuruta ngothi ino dead skin mwiri otoria wonaga tugithigina ri giko kiu gikoragwo thiini wa mwiri na hindi ria waga gwithamba wega ri ngothi ikahinga koguo tuona wethamba na thabuni uyu ni weheragia itagwo dead skin thiini wa mwiri na uhoro wa thundo black spots mathina maya maingi mathinagia atumia na wina kindu twitaga anti aging koguo riria wa uhuthira ri ugakora ngothi yaku ni ikara ithaka tutekuhuthira ma chemicals maingi na ki ugaikara uri o muthaka oro uguo tari for example ri tuhuthagira tugietha ukihuthira kindu uhuthagira wina hope ni giguguteithia kana wina matarajio manene ni giguguteithia no ndukoragwo ukimenya tondu andu aingi mahuthagira matekumenya ni meguthukirwo riu ugakora mundu ahuthirire kindu na nikimuthukirie koguo ingi advice andu magerie muno kuhuthira thabuni uyu wa organic uyu tari na chemicals nyingi tondu ona urakora marahuthira mbeca nyingi makigeria gwithakaria na matirakorwo makimenya long term ni guthukia marakorwo magithukia ngothi ciao na kurehe mirimu mingi ya ngothi no uyu wa organic utari na chemical nyingi ndurabatara maundu maingi no gwithamba naguo ngothi yaku igathera ikanyoroka thundo igathira spots haya number 1 ni ugukreate mawira maingi tondu tariu okorwo ni aloe vera tutingihota kwiigania koguo tura contract farmers kana arimi aria mena kuu mahote kuhanda aloe vera yao tuhote kumagurira tukamagakiona kanyamu aria angi mena migunda mahote kuhanda bamboo iyo tukamagurira makahota kuona kanyamu na also the youths nigetha mahote guka industry-ini ino tuhote no tukubatara marketers no tukubatara andu a guthondeka koguo ni gu create mawira na njira nene muno
ni twikarire thi twina mandagitari mangi tugitwiria uria tungithondeka andu ngothi na tugitwiria uria tungithondeka andu ngothi nigetha ngothi igetheha uguo ni tugikoretwo tugithondeka thamuni uria kuo turaiga ati ni wa guthondekwo na miti hatari kindu ta chemical ikuhuthika uguo ni organic ni tutukanagia miti ya muthemba ta kiruma ni kimwe gia kiria tutukanagia nakio tugacoka oroho ni tutukanagia kindu ta turmeric na mathamuni macio kuringana na uria tumathondekete ni turona makiruta wira na njira njega riu nikio muthenya wa muthi tukoretwo twi guku turehete thamuni ucio nigetha andu aria megucemanagia guku nao makigie na kuona thamuni uria turathondeka na tumenderie thamuni ucio ni urateithia andu tondu ni tuonete andu marwarite murimu witagwo kamanyoko wa ngothi na mundu ethamba naguo agathira tondu thina wa ngothi ndukoragwo wi ngothi-ini koragwo winda uguo urenda uthondekwo nda na ugacoka ugagithondekwo ngothi na thamuni ucio thamuni ucio materials iria turahuthira turaruta guku Kenya na riu ni turathondeka na muthemba wa murangi wiho witagwo bamboo na githungu tugatukania thutha wa kuucina muhu ucio niguo turacoka tugatukania na aloe vera riu kuringana na uria turona twagĩrĩirwo nĩ gwĩka tũrona no tũ encourage arĩmi marĩme babu na nĩgetha tũmagũragĩre nĩ ũndũ wa gũthondeka thamuni.
And this innovation of the bathing soap is an innovation that comes out of a joint research between Mount Kenya University Research Center and Mount Kenya University Laboratories and the Murang'a Traditional Medical Practitioners, or a group of Murang'a Traditional Medical Practitioners who are registered as African Complementary Alternative Medicine Organization. This group came in to have their products fine-tuned to get into the market. They came with several products. They came with herbal medicines for arthritis. They came with a herbal medicine for ulcer. They came with skincare products. And after reasoning out, we found that it would be easier to do the soap because of the legal technicalities and the budget requirements. So we got into the lab, and we did one of the soaps. We did one of the soaps first of all in the lab using molds, and we tested it in the lab, all the parameters as required by Kenya Bureau of Standards, and we found it qualifies. Then we went up and did another soap. This soap contains turmeric. But then we went reasoning, we need a soap for skin cleansing. Then we added activated charcoal from bamboo and then aloe. We did a soap, and that soap went to capes. They have two shades. There's one that is quite very black and the one that is not very black. Both of them are from aloe and bamboo. And then we subjected them to submission to Kenya Bureau of Standards. Then we got the KEBS standards after being tested for 3 months. We got the standards back, and we are now ready for large-scale production for purposes of commercialization. And that's where we are, and we are ready to spin off to market and have it as an income-generating activity for the university and also for the traditional medical practitioners from Murang'a County. The raw materials for the black soap, the bamboo is grown at the University Botanic Garden. We have a bamboo plantation, and we also have aloe plantation at the Botanic Garden. We also source from suppliers who grow bamboo. We networked with Kenya Forestry, and we network from Kenya Forestry. We get farmers in Baringo who grow aloe, so we get aloe. We also have a farmer who carbonizes bamboo, and therefore we're able to get from the Botanic Garden of the university. We're also able to outsource from farmers who have aloe and also have bamboo. So why we chose on the soap is because of the cleansing effect. We are looking now, we don't have a bamboo-based soap in the country, or one soap we have, which is black, comes from Nigeria, and we have other soaps from other countries. But in Kenya, really, we don't have a black soap that is herbal-based. We have black soaps, yes, but they do not have aloe. They don't have organic substances like now we have bamboo and we have aloe. I think that's where we stand, and we chose that we want to do a soap that has got herbs that are available locally and truly organic. And then we stand different because, yes, we have black soaps in the market, but they don't have plant materials or herbal materials, which we think are safe, and not really we think which are safe and effective for use. The process of making the soap, we use a cold process, and since we don't have complicated machineries, cold process is that even we can make it it is easier even when we train people to make at home without sophisticated machineries. So we just make using a cold process in the lab. Some of the materials like bamboo and aloe, we have a farm at the university. And when we deplete that, we also have such materials supplied from farmers. And actually that's one of the things that the university works on seriously, that the members of the public, the members of the group of traditional medical practitioners of Murang'a can plant these herbs, can plant bamboo, can plant aloe, and bring it to the university. The university makes soap, and those people at the periphery of the county can get a livelihood or can get income as cash. This soap is unique. One, it is purely it has active constituents other than other soaps. We have other soaps in the market which have chemical compounds which are used to cleanse the skin. And some of these chemical compounds have effects on the health of the persons. So this soap uses plant materials. We are saying it is 100% organic, it's 100% herbal. Unlike other soaps which are black and bathing soaps which have chemicals in the market, so as we have pursued having them being 100% organic.
Also, we did a research in the lab to profile the available soaps with all those antimicrobial or whatever the marketing names they use. And we found out that those soaps were not antibacterial as stated on the package. So it was a motivating factor to come up with a soap that actually is going to be safe, number one, and number two, effective to achieve that antimicrobial property. The first one we tried with the molds. Then we went ahead to do another phase of the research, just with the aim of having a more effective and a more safe product. We went ahead and did the third phase, and finally we landed at the fourth phase. And that's where we are now. We are now going commercial. Well, other than the soap, if we go creams and lotions, we find that there are certain kinds of reagents being used in the current lotions and creams, and some of them have got even dangerous chemicals like parabens, and those parabens are known or are linked directly to some diseases like cancer. So the reason as to why we want to venture into such a natural lotion or an emulsion, we want to use things like beeswax. By us using beeswax, we are going to promote the farmer, the beekeeping farmer. And also, when we shall use things like sunflower oil, there are farmers who are growing sunflower oil. There are farmers who are growing avocado oil. You see, we are going to touch them directly because we shall be sourcing these oils from them. Yes, it's already in the market because we already have the regulatory requirements. It has KEBS, and it's tested already. It passed. So it's already in the market circulating. Well, being an organic product and any organic product out there sells competitively, we shall be considerate in terms of pricing so that most people can afford it, because we are also there to solve problems.